In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Merging accounts is really useful when your chart of accounts has become cluttered with duplicates or very similar accounts. Instead of deleting anything and risking data loss, merging lets you combine those accounts so all the history and transactions stay intact, just under one clean account. Let's start by getting to the right place in QuickBooks Online. From anywhere in your company file, go up to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the settings and lists. From that menu, look for Chart of Accounts and click it. That opens the full list of all your accounts, assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and so on. Now you need to decide which account you want to keep. Think of this as your main or final account. In the list, find the account that has the name and setup you prefer. On the right side of that row, click the drop-down next to Edit or Action. Choose Edit, or simply open it so you can see the details. Take a moment to note the exact account name, the account type, and the detail type. These three things must match later for the merge to work correctly. Once you've written those down or memorized them, click Cancel to return to the Chart of Accounts list. We're not changing this one. This is the account we're keeping. Next, locate the duplicate account, the one you don't want to keep. Again, on the right side, open the drop-down under Action, and this time select Edit. This will open the settings for the account you're going to merge into the main one. Here's the key part. In the name field, change the name of this duplicate account so it exactly matches the name of the account you're keeping. Spelling, spacing, and punctuation all matter. Then, set the account type and the detail type so they are identical to the account you chose to keep earlier. If any of these three items are different, QuickBooks will treat it as a separate account and won't offer to merge. Once everything matches, click Save. QuickBooks will recognize that this account now has the same setup as an existing one and will show a message asking if you want to merge the accounts. Confirm by selecting Yes, Merge the Accounts. After that, all the transactions from the old duplicate account will be moved into the account you kept, and the list will be cleaner and easier to manage.